How to reply to a comment on Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reply to a comment on Insta story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is make sure that your Instagram is updated to its latest version. After you've done that, let's move on with the steps. Open up your Insta and check if you have an comment on your story. So for that, you can tap on your notifications bar as well, or just head over to your story on the top left. After you're there, you can simply check for your stories and the replies. So you can just tap on this option down below where the comments are, and you can check out your comments. So there we go. Those are the comments. Now, if you want to reply to a comment on Instagram story, you can simply tap on it. So simply tap on it once, or you can long press on it, and there you will get an option to message them. So you can tap on message to actually reply to that very person. So just type in the message and tap on send. This will send a DM directly to that very person. So we can just go and check that out, and there we go. So that's how you can reply to a comment on Instagram story. The other thing that you can do is you can also simply mention the person on your story. So let me head over to my story here. And yeah, from this section as well, you can tap on reply and then reply. And tap on send, and that will send a text again. So the other way is by actually commenting yourself. So to comment yourself, you can just head over to your comment section and type in a comment yourself by mentioning your friends. So you can mention your friends and tap on OK. Just tap on send, and that's the other way you can reply. And yeah, that's how you reply to a comment on Instagram story, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.